In this video, I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly tutorial on setting up and using a Kanban board in Jira. In this guide, we'll explore the fundamentals of Kanban boards, how they can streamline your workflows, and provide a complete step-by-step demo to help you create and use one effectively in 2024. So first, what is a Kanban board? A Kanban board is a visual tool that helps teams manage workflows, track tasks, and optimize productivity. Originating from lean manufacturing, Kanban is widely used in agile and project management to provide transparency and improve team collaboration. In Jira, Kanban boards are perfect for teams that want to focus on continuous delivery without being restricted by fixed sprint cycles. So now let's get started. So from here in your Jira account, you can always go to your projects. And from here, you'll see templates. What you want to do is click on more templates. And as you can see, they have a bunch of different templates right here. So as you can see in software development, there is a Kanban template. So we can always search for other Kanban templates right here. Let's say right here in work management, product management, marketing, finance, design. So what you want to do is just select the Kanban template. So as you can see, they have the Kanban template right here. As you can see, now from here, just click on Use Template. Now let's choose a project type. So let's say it's a team managed project. So click here. Now let's add in the project name. Just going to add Kanban test. And now click on Next. And Atlassian or Jira will now generate our Kanban board for us. Now, as you can see, we have this pre-made Kanban board, Jira prepared for us, and this is how it works. So this is what the board looks like. So we have the to-do table, the in-progress table, and the done. So let's say we have a one task right here. Let's say task one. Click on create. Now we can click on the task itself. We can add the description. So let's say you want to add the description, like what is the specific task that your team members or you should do. So you can write it down right here. You can also add comments. And of course, you can always assign the person who will be doing this task. So you can either assign to yourself or simply add a team member and assign to them. And again, you can add labels too. You can add parent, the team, development, the year reporter. And we have the actions here too. So we can create automations if you want. You can also do the to do. As you can see, it's just in progress. So click on save. As you can see, it will now automatically be moved to your in progress table. So if you want to add team members, you can always click right here and add people. So simply type in their email addresses right here, and you can also change their role if you want. So when they click on the link or the email, then after that, they will now be able to work with you on the Kanban board. And from here in the board too, you can also import your work. So you can create an external import. You can also see the insights of this board. You can also edit the settings of this board. And now we have the quick start section right here on the right side. So this is what you want to do to efficiently use or effectively use your Kanban board. So just start adding your work. See right here, want to create. So basically that is just creating a new task right here, just like I said. You can also create a new column right here, say in progress 2. Say this is the second stage of the task. So it should be added right there. Now we can move it right here. You can see. Now in the left-hand side, we have the planning section. This is the summary of the Kanban board. As you can see, this is the dashboard. You will see the status overview. You will see how many issues are right here, how many are in to do, are in progress, how many are done. You can also see the recent activity. If your team members or you has changed the status of a task or removed a task, you'll see the priority breakdown right here, the types of work. So basically, you will see all of the status of your Kanban board in this page. Next is the timeline. So from here, you can add what needs to be done. So you can see, let's say you want to add deadlines to the tasks, so you can do it right here. And again, we have the board, also have the list. If you want to see the tasks in list, of course, you can always view it right here. And we have the new feature, which is the forms. So from here, we can create forms for our board. So when you click on create a form, I can either create a task form or the epic form. Next, we can also add other views such as the backlog. As you can see, this is what the backlog will look like. So basically, these are the backlogs for your board. And next is codes. If you're a developer, you can always connect your code to Jira. So you can connect this integrations such as GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Next is project pages. So from here, you can capture team's knowledge and improve the way you get your work done. So these are the templates that you can use. And next, of course, our project settings. We can change the icon, the name of our project key, the categories, the project lead. So basically, these are all of the settings of your project. So you can always edit it out right here. And that's about it. So that's basically how you can use a Kanban on Jira or a Kanban board on Jira. So just explore this template. So just go to Jira, use the template, explore more about its features, and you will now get the hang of how to use the Kanban board in your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.